Hello students, today we are going to start our same chapter of accountancy of class 12 and the chapter name is dissolution of partnership form. This is part second of that chapter and here one detailed question is given because realization account, bank account and loan account. All the format of these three types of account we can understand with the help of a question. Here the question is A, B and C decided to dissolve the partnership firm. It means A, B and C decide to close down the business. The position as at 31st March 2018, the date of dissolution was as follows. Here some liabilities are given and here some assets are given with some additional information. The additional information is they share profit and loss in the ratio 1 upon A 1 upon 2, B 3 upon 10 and C 1 upon 5. And 20,000 of the debtors proved bad. The bill receivable were released in full. The stock released 1,70,000. Furniture was taken over by B at book value. And the expense of realization amount to rupees 20,000. Prepare necessary account. That time we will have to prepare realization account and partners capital account and bank account. But if any partners loan is given, that time we also have to make loan account. So here in balance sheet A's loan is given. So that time we will have to make A's loan account. First of all, what is the first step of solving this type of question? First of all, we make realization account. The realization account format here, realization account, that is debit side, that is credit side, that is asset side and that is liability side. First of all, we can write that particular also in the place of liabilities and here in the place of assets we can also write particulars. So the format is particulars, amount, particular, amount. The first step is we considered old balance sheet and transfer all the assets except cash. So here the assets is furniture, stock, debtors, bill receivable. So the first step is transfer of assets. So here to asset transfer, that is first step. And what is the asset? That is furniture of rupees 5,000. Here it is. Second one is stock, that is 1,75,000. Here it is. And the third asset that is given in the question, that is debtors 2,40,000. Here it is. And the fourth one is bill receivable, that is 30,000 and here it is. So first step is transfer of assets. So we transfer all the assets except cash. So here the total of all the assets, that is 4,50,000. Then come on the second step. The second step, that transfer of liabilities. So here some liabilities is given. First of all, creditors. So we transfer creditors, that is 2,75,000. Here the balance of creditors, that is 2,75,000. Then A's loan. A's loan is not treated as liability. So it should be transferred on loan account, not on the realization account. Third one is capital account. That balance transferred in the capital account. So in the whole balance sheet, first of all the assets are transferred except cash. Then second step is all liabilities are transferred except partners loan and capital and general reserve. So that is the second step. So here first step and then it is second step. Then come on the additional information. They share profit and loss in the ratio of 1 upon 2, 3 upon 10 or 1 upon 5. So first of all, we transfer or we analyze the whole ratio. A, that is 1 upon 2, B, that is 3 upon 10 and C, that is 1 upon 5. So first of all, their base should be same. So what should be the base? That is 10. After getting the LCM of 2, 10 and 5, we get 10 is the base. So we will have to multiply by 5 and that value multiply by 2 for making 10. So then the ratio becomes 5 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and 2 upon 10. So in short, 5:3:2. That is the profit sharing ratio. After this, 20,000 of the debtors proved bad. It means total debtors value, that is 2,40,000. In 2,40,000, 20,000 debtors are bad. It means remaining 2,20,000 are good. If released or sale type of information is given, in this here 20,000 of the debtors proved bad, it means that if we sell the debtors value in the market, that time we release only 2,20,000 because 20,000 debtors proved bad. So when assets are released, then we write by cash account or by bank account. If cash balance is given in the question, that time we write cash. If bank balance is given in the question, that time we write bank. So here cash balance is given, so we write by cash account, and debtors released in the market, that is 2,20,000. Then second information is given that the bill receivable were released. Released means sale. So if assets are sale, that comes on the cash or bank account, whatever that is given in the question. So in the question cash is given, so it comes in the cash account. So bill receivable, and what is the value? That is full value. So what is the full value of bill receivable? That is 30,000. So we write 30,000. Then the next information is stock released. It means that if stock can be sold in the market and the stock value released 1,70,000, so it also comes in the cash account. So that is stock 1,70,000. After that, furniture was taken over by B. Furniture was taken over by B. That time we write B's capital account because furniture generally taken by B in this question, that is given the point. So here by B's capital account, and furniture is taken over by B at book value. And what is the book value of furniture? That is 5,000. So here 5,000. Then the expense of realization amount, that comes on the debit side. So here first of all, let's check me that any assets are remained or not. Furniture, that is taken by B. Stock, debtors, bill receivable, all the assets are sold in the market. So there is no remaining assets. After that, here one liabilities is also given, that is creditor. So we will have to pay creditor's value. Here there is no information related to any liability. But remember students, if there is no information related to liability, but we will have to pay the liability, that is our responsibility, whatever that is given in the question or not. In this, the liabilities information is not given, but we will have to pay because liability is compulsory to pay. So here it is to cash account. First of all, creditor's value is given, and what is the creditor's value? That is 2,75,000. So 2,75,000 paid to the creditors. Then second one, here one information is given, that realization expense. So that is also one type of expense. So we will have to also pay, that is 20,000. So what is the overall steps to solve the realization account? That first of all assets are transferred except cash. The second step is all liabilities are transferred except partners capital and general reserve and partners loan. Then the third step is all the assets released, that is given in the additional information. Whatever, if assets are released in the market or the partner is taken over. If the partner takes the asset, that time we write the name of the partner. If the assets released in the market, that time we write cash or bank. Same as the fourth step is we will have to pay all the liabilities, whatever that is given in the question or not. For assets, if point is given in the additional information, that time we will take assets. But in case of liabilities, whatever the point is given or not, we always consider the liabilities. So here, after that we analyze that total of both the sides. So we find that debit side is greater than the credit side. So balancing figure comes on the credit side by rupees 45,000, and that 45,000 distributed in the old partners. And who is the old partner? That is A, B and C, and their ratio is 5:3:2. So by loss transferred to A's capital account, B's capital account and C's capital account. Total balance is 45,000, and that 45,000 distributed in the ratio 5:3:2. So 22,500 that is A share, 13,500 that is B share, and 9,000 that is C share. Then come on. Next account is partners capital account. So for making partners capital account, again considered old balance sheet. So here the balance sheet is, first of all, capital balances is given. A's capital that is 1 lakh, B's capital that is 50,000, and C's capital that is 5,000. So here we transfer that balance by the name by balance BD. So by balance BD, in the column of A that is 1 lakh, in the column of B that is 50,000, and in the column of C that is 5,000. Then there is no reserve balance. Come on the asset side, there is no balance that can be transferred in the capital account. So that account is completed. After that, come on the realization account. Here in realization account, we find out that there is any capital balance. So here there is no capital balance. Here cash balance. Here is also cash balance. Here capital balance is given. A's capital, B's capital, and C's capital. That comes on the realization account. So credit balance of realization account comes on the debit side by the name of realization account. So first of all, two realization account, that is 22,500, 13,500, and 9,000. Here it is. Then the second one is, here one more capital balance is given, that by B's capital account. It means it surely comes in the capital account. So we write that is the credit balance of realization account. So according to ledger posting, that comes on the debit side with the name of realization account. So here two realization account in the B's column, that is 5,000. Then any other information we will have to check. So in this there is no other balance. After that, total of both the side, here 1 lakh that is greater 50,000, and here credit side is greater because there is 9,000 and there is only 5,000. Then we find out the CD balance. So here the CD balance is 77,500. Here the balancing figure is 31,500. But in the column of C, there is no balance in the debit side. The balancing figure comes on the credit side. So these three are the balancing figure. After that, in this account, it means in the partners capital account, the balancing figure name cash account if cash balance is given in the balance sheet. But if bank balance is given in the balance sheet, that time we write that balancing figure here to bank account, not cash account. So here cash account is given, so we write cash account as a balancing figure. So in the column of A and B, that is to cash account, that is balancing figure, and here also by cash account, that is the balancing figure comes on the credit side. After that, we will have to make partners loan account, and here one loan balance is given, A's loan account. That's why we will have to make loans account. If loan is not given in the question, that time we will not have to make loan account. So here the information is given, so we will have to make. First of all, loans balance is given in the liability side, so that should be transferred in the opposite side. So here it is by balance BD, and the balance is given, that is 30,000. So there is no balance in the credit side, so that balancing figure also we give the name, that is to cash account. So that is balancing figure, that is also balancing figure, and that is also balancing figure. After that, we will have to make cash account, that is the final account. So cash account is very important. First of all, there is any other information in the balance sheet, here cash balance is given, that is opening balance. So we write to balance BD, that is 10,000. So here that is 10,000. After that, come on the realization account. First of all, in the debit side there is any cash balance, here one cash balance is given, so that balance in the debit side, so it should be transferred on the credit side by the name of to realization account. So here by realization account, that is exist in the debit side, so it should be transferred on the credit side by the amount 2,95,000. Here it is. Then come on the second side, that is credit side, there is any balance of cash, here one balance of cash is given, and the total of all that is 4,20,000. That comes from realization account. Here that is credit balance, so that should be transferred on the debit side by the name of realization account. So here to realization account, that is 4,20,000. Is there any other balance? No, there is no balance. After that, come on the partner's capital account. There is any cash balance here. One cash balance is in the A's column and one cash balance is in the B's column. So that is debit balance. So it should be transferred on the credit side by the name of A's capital account and B's capital account. So here by A's capital account and by B's capital account, the amount is 77,500 and 31,500. Here it is. Then here one more balance is given, that 4,000 in the column of C. So 4,000, so that exists in the credit side, so that should be transferred in the debit side by the name of C's capital account. So here to C's capital account, that is 4,000. After that, analyzing that, 4,20,000 plus 10, 4,30,000 and 4,000, that is 4,34,000. Here also total of this side and we get 4,34,000. But one balance remains, that by to cash account in the debit side. So that should be transferred in the credit side by the name of by A's loan account. So that balance is also transferred by the amount of 30,000. It means laser posting, that we already studied in the class 11th, how we transferred from one account to the other. So after that we find out that the debit balance and credit balance are same. So if both sides are matched, that time we analyze that our question is right. For better understanding of this concept, we are going to discuss one more question. Here the question is, Diya and Riya were partners sharing profit and loss equally. That means 1:1. On 31st March 2016, the balance sheet of the was as follows. Here balance sheet is given with some liabilities information and some assets information. There is some additional information. So we cannot read the additional information because at the time of solving the question we can read that point. So here the solution is, first of all we will have to make realization account. And what is the first step? Asset should be transferred. So the first step is to asset transferred to. And what is the asset that is given in the question? Except cash. So here cash balance is given. So we cannot transfer cash balance. We already mentioned that point. First, then second one, debtors. Debtors value in the internal column, that is 42,000 and external column 36,000. But we take internal columns value, that is 42,000. So here debtors value is 42,000. Then the second information, that is provision for doubtful debt. Provision for doubtful debt considered as a liability. So that time when we deal debtor, that time we also transfer the balance of provision in the opposite side. So debtors comes in the debit side, so provision is the less value, so that comes on the credit side. So here by liability is transferred and provision for doubtful debt is transferred in this side. So here the first important point in the debtors, we write internal column value. So internal column value 42,000, so here we write 42,000 and that 6,000 is considered as a liability. So that should be transferred in the heading by liability transfer. So here the balance is 6,000. Then the asset is given, that is stock. So we will have to transfer stock value, that is 12,000. Then the next asset is investment. So here the investment value is 18,000. The next value is plant and machinery, that is 39,000. So the next value is 39,000, that is plant and machinery. We ignore partner's loan. Same point, that is we already discussed that point. So here we transfer debtors value, stock value, investment value and plant and machinery value. We ignore cash value and Diya's loan. Diya is a partner and their loan is given, so we ignore that value. Here one provision is given and that provision transferred in the another side. Then come on the liabilities side. Second main step, that to transfer of liability. So here The second step is by liability transfer. And what is the liability that is given in the question? That is sundry creditors. The sundry creditors value, that is 60,000. So we write sundry creditor, that is 60,000. Then Ria's loan. Ria is a partner. Their loan is given, so we ignore that value. Then general reserve. General reserve is a distributable profit, so we ignore that point. The next point is investment fluctuation fund. So we write that value. Here it is investment fluctuation fund. So in this concept, we noted that partners loan, general reserve and partners capital balance ignore. That is not essential for making realization account. So that is the second step. Then come on the additional information. Here additional information is given that the creditors were paid. If paid information is given, so that time we write in the cash balance, but here the information is not complete. So first of all we have to read the whole information. The creditors were paid off by giving them plant and machinery at a discount of 10% and the balance of cash. First of all, we will have to check what is the value of creditors. So the value of creditors is 60,000. It means that total creditor is 60,000 and that creditor is over liability. We will have to pay that value. That is burden for us. So that is over responsibility. So first of all we give plant and machinery at a discount. So what is the value of plant and machinery? That is 39,000 and at 10% discount. So 39,000 is the value of plant and machinery. After 10% discount, it means 90%. We release that 90% because 10% is the discount. So what value comes? That is 35,100. It means that 35,100 settled by plant and machinery. After that the remaining balance is 24,900 and that balance we will have to give cash. It means total value we will have to give, that is 60,000. In out of 60,000, first of all we give machinery of our business and the value of machinery, that is 35,100. After that we analyze that 24,900 we will have to pay, that is our remaining balance. So to cash account and we give 24,900. Total value is 60,000. We settled 35,100 by plant and machinery and we give the remaining balance in cash. Then the next information that is given, Ria's loan was paid with interest. So we ignore loan value, but we will have to give interest. And what is the interest value? That is 500. So we write interest on Ria's loan, that is 500. Then stock was taken over by Ria. Debtors released 10%. Released means sale. So that comes on the cash balance or bank balance. What is given in the question? That is cash. So cash balance comes. So here it is by cash account. Debtors released, that is 10% less. So what is the value of debtor? That is 42,000 and 10% less means minus 4,200. So 42,000 minus 4,200 we get 37,800. That is realization value and that comes on the cash column. Then the next information, that stock was taken over by Ria. So by Ria's capital account and stock is taken over by Ria, that is 7,000. So that balance. Next, investment released. Released means sale. So it comes on the cash balance. That is 80% of the book value. And what is the book value of the investment? That is 18,000 and 80% of 18,000, that is 14,400. So how can? That is 18,000 multiply 80 divided by 100 and we get 14,400. So that comes on the cash balance. So one balance is already, that is debtors, and the second one is investment, also comes in this heading. Then the next information is realization expense were paid by Ria. So that is our expense. So it comes in the paid. If paid type of information is given, that means that comes on the cash account. So there is two important topics. If release release word is given, that comes on the cash account balance in the credit side. If paid information is given, that comes on the cash account in debit side. So here, sorry, that information is not completed. Here the complete information is realization expense 600 were paid by Diya. So that expense be borne by the Diya. So it comes on the to Diya's capital account, that is 600. So after that we analyze that all the assets are released or not. Here first asset is debtors. So we release debtors. Second asset is stock. So here stock is taken over by Riya. So that is also exist. Third one is investment. So investment is also comes in this point. Plant and machinery already taken over by the one partner. So it means all the assets are completed. Then we will have to check the liabilities balance. Here first liability is given, that is sundry creditor. So sundry creditors settled by the plant and machinery, that is completed. The second one is provision for doubtful debt. We will have to not pay the provisions value. We only transfer that value, but we will not pay that value. So there is no existence. Investment fluctuation fund, that is also same. We transferred that value, but we don't paid that value in the debit side. So whole information is completed. So after that we total both the side. Here the total is 1,37,000. That comes in the debit side. So balancing figure comes in the credit side. So by loss on realization account, and that balance distributed in the partners. And who is the partner? That is Diya and Riya. So Diya's capital account and Riya's capital account equally ratio is given. It means 9800 distributed equally, that is 4900 and 4900. Then the second account we will have to make, that is partners capital account. So here it is partners capital account, that is debit side and that is credit side. Particular and the partner name, that is Riya and Diya. Here particular and the partner name, that is Riya and Diya. Then for making partners capital account, we consider old balance sheet. So here the balance sheet is given. First of all, partners capital balance is given, Riya's capital and Diya's capital. So that balance transferred in capital account by the name of by balance BD. So here by balance BD, in the Riya's column 30,000, in the Diya's column 10,000. Then second information is general reserve. So general reserve also transferred in the capital account. So here by general reserve, and general reserve is total 15,000 and that 15,000 distributed equally. It means 7,500 and 7,500. Then after that there is no other information related from capital account. So come on the realization account, and here the realization account. So we will have to check that there is any capital balance. So in the debit side, one capital balance is given, that Diya's capital account expense. So expense is given, so it comes on the debit side, so it transferred in the credit side. So here by realization account, and in the column of Diya we write 600. Then check on the credit side. So here any capital balance is given. Here one capital balance is given in the Riya's column. So that comes in the credit side, so it should be transferred on the debit side by the name of to realization account. So to realization account, in the column of Riya we write 7,000. So here the balance is 7,000. Then realization's profit or loss, there is loss. So it comes on the credit side, so it should be transferred on the debit side. So to realization account, that is 4,900 and 4,900. After that we will have to check that partner's loan. If there is any loan in the asset side, here one loan is in the asset side. If loan is exist in the liabilities side, so that will be not transferred in the capital account. But if loan is given in the asset side, so that value transferred in the capital account. So Diya's loan transferred in the capital account by the amount 2,000. So to Diya's loan, that is 2,000. After that, total of Riya's and Diya's column in debit side or credit side, we get that credit side is greater than the debit side. So the total balance of credit side, that is 37,500 in the Riya's column and 18,100 in the Diya's column. And the balancing figure comes on the debit side. And what we write the balancing figure name? Cash or bank, that is given in the question. So here cash balance is given in the question. So we write the balancing figure's name, that is cash. So the balancing figure, that is 25,600 and 11,200. Then the next account we will have to make, that is partners loan account. So for making partners loan, here we will have to check Riya's loan, that is 15,000, and Diya's loan in the asset side, that is 2,000. So we will have to make partners loan account. Here it is, Riya's loan account. Riya's loan account by balance BD, because that is liabilities information. So by balance BD, the BD balance comes on the credit side by the amount of rupees 15,000, and on that amount interest should be paid, that is 500, that mentioned in the realization account. Total of this side, that is 15,500, and the balancing figure, that is to cash account, that is 15,500. Then the next partner's loan, that is Diya's loan, and Diya's loan given in the asset side. So here we write to balance BD. If liabilities side loan is given, that time we write BD here, and if the loan is given in the asset side, that time we write BD balances in the debit side. So to balance BD, that is 2,000. And the assets side, if loan is given in the asset side, that should be settled with the name of partner's capital account, not with the cash account. Here the balancing figure settled with the name of cash account, but here the balancing figure settled with the partner's capital account. So here Diya's capital account, that is 2,000. Then come on the cash account. For making cash account, first of all we will have to check old balance sheet. There is any balance in the balance sheet? Yes, cash balance is given, that is 25,000. So first of all we have to write to balance BD, that is 25,000. Then come on the realization account. There is any cash balance? Here one cash balance is given, that is 24,900, that is in the debit side. So it should be transferred on the credit side by the name of realization account. So here realization account, that is 24,900. Then in the second side, any cash balance is given? Yes, one cash balance is here, that is 52,200, that comes on the credit side. So it should be transferred on the debit side by the name of to realization account. So here to realization account, that is 52,200. Then come on the, here the information is completed. Then the next account is partners capital account, and there is any cash balance? Yes, one cash balance is there in the Riya's column and Diya's column. So the balancing figure comes on the debit side. So it should be transferred on credit side by the name of by Riya's capital account and by Diya's capital account. So here by Riya's capital account and by Diya's capital account. So that is 25,600 and 11,200, and both sides are equal. Then we realize that our question is correct because both sides are equal.